Meaning of gurner.
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 Gurner. In slang, a gurner refers to someone who makes exaggerated facial expressions, particularly when under the influence of drugs such as ecstasy or amphetamines. The term originally started in the UK rave scene of the 1990s and has since spread throughout the world. Gurners are known for their distorted and contorted facial expressions, often accompanied by jaw clenching or teeth grinding. These effects are caused by the drug's impact on the central nervous system. While some people find gurning amusing or entertaining, it is important to note that drug use can have serious consequences on an individual's health and well-being.